Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thanks for checking out this video. Today in this video, I'll be talking about a smartphone gimbal. It's called iSteady Mobile by Hohem. It's a 3-axis handheld motorized gimbal. I actually bought this product from Amazon.com a few days ago. At the time of the purchase, it was listed for about $99. After coupons and discounts, I got the price got to $45, which was a pretty good deal. Since it was my first gimbal, I thought it would be a nice to start and explore. So today I'll be exploring by unboxing the gimbal, then also do a basic features review. Please bear with me. I'm not expert product reviewer. It's the first time I'm doing this video. Also, please note this is not a sponsored video. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please comment below this video. Let's get started then. Thank you. Has a nice case. It's very sleek. Let's see what's inside. I think it's an instruction manual, user guide. Okay, we have a micro USB charging cable. Then there's a small tripod. And here's the gimbal. I need to take this off. The first impression is it looks very nice. Has a very good finish. The arms looks like it was made of some kind of lightweight metal. The hand grip is also nice. It has a very good grip. And it has a textured surface. And there's a 1/4-inch thread to mount a tripod. Here's another 1/4-inch thread to mount other photography accessories. And this is where you charge the gimbal. There's a micro USB port and a regular USB port. The micro USB port is to charge the gimbal, and this regular USB port could be used to charge the phones or smartphones or tablets. And these are the controls. I'll just take off this film. Now I'm going to explain the control panel over here. There are a few buttons here. The button with the red dot is the power button. The button above this is the mode button. The mode button is actually used to follow or lock certain gimbal axis movement. And there's a disc button, which is like a joystick to move the arm left to right or top to bottom kind of thing. It's pan and tilt operation. And there's a slide button. It's actually used for zooming purpose. This button is only effective when you use their own app. You have to download Hohem Studio app from Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the phone. And this is, like I said, it does not support the native app. It only works with their own app. So those are the controls pretty much. Basically, that's what I read from the instruction manual. Now I'm gonna turn on and show you what it looks like. The battery strength is full. So if I just click once, it shows the battery strength. So if I do a long press, the gimbal is really in action. I'll just mount a tripod so that you know how it looks. Actually, I forgot to mention about the 1/4-inch thread that is present on the phone holder side. So you could use this to connect a mic or a flashlight, and this clamp can also be twisted to different orientation, and it gets locked to a specific orientation, as you see. And this is how you'll expand the clamp to insert the phone into the slot. It has to go to the base. The power button side of the phone has to come close, as much as closer to the base, and then you have to horizontally level it by adjusting this arm and tightening the screw. I'm going to show you how to do that. So just expand this, then push it to the base. Okay, now you see the phone is horizontally leveled by adjusting the side arm and the screw here. I'll be turning on the gimbal and see how the gimbal is leveling up. Okay, it looks like it has done its job. It's perfectly leveled. Here's how the joystick movement controls work. So you see the tilt functionality and the pan. Everything looks very smooth, and I like this. It's actually pretty good. The movement speed is all customizable. So once you have the app installed and connected to the Bluetooth, you could literally control any of this movement or adjust the speed going into the settings. So which is very good functionality. I will show the app in a moment. The next thing I want to talk about is the mode buttons functionality. In this iSteady mobile gimbal, there are 4 different operations which could be controlled by the mode button. So when the mode button is clicked one time, the gimbal is put in the pan follow mode, which is the default mode. So in this mode, tilt and roll axes are locked. However, you can move the camera freely to left or right side. When the mode button is clicked 2 times, then the gimbal is put in the pan and tilt follow mode. In this mode, the roll axis is locked. However, we can move the camera left to right or top to bottom freely. When the mode button is clicked 3 times, the gimbal is locked and the camera stays in the current orientation. So when the mode button is clicked 4 times, the gimbal is put in all following mode. In this mode, we can do pan, tilt, or roll shots. And this is the app that I downloaded from the Android Play Store. The app name is Hohem iSteady. So once you download and open it, it comes up with this screen. It has multiple product selections. However, depending on the product we are using, you just need to pick the product. So I'm gonna choose this iSteady Mobile, and you see how it's going to pair. Now that I'm connected to the Bluetooth, I can enter into the actual app. So here's the interface that looks similar to our native camera app. However, I believe this might have more functionalities to control the gimbal. And now you can also see the Bluetooth indicator is on. I don't know if you can see. So this is the setting icon. This is the camera setting, gimbal settings. This is the one pretty much you need to control the gimbal's movement, or the joystick and other things. So it has all the features here. You could also reverse the joystick movement. This is the pan follow mode. This is the pan and tilt follow mode. This is the all lock mode. And this is all following mode. To start the video recording from the gimbal, the power button needs to be clicked 2 times. And to stop the video recording, the power button needs to be clicked twice again. That pretty much completes the basic review of this iSteady mobile gimbal. To me, this gimbal is very good, even though it's a little bit heavier than I thought, but I find it comfortable holding in my hand. So I'll be using this gimbal in my upcoming trips, and I'll post some videos online, so please check out those videos as well.